To create a new corporate group application, you will go to nccdp.org, click on Certifications, and then Learn More under CDP. Scroll down and click Apply Today. This will take you to our member portal login, but instead click Create an Account. Fill out your first name, your last name, and your email. Create a password that meets all requirements listed in red on the right. Your email will become your username. Enter your phone number and address. Make sure to click Validate so that information saves. Fill out other information as it applies to you, like your credentials, your job title, and your profession. Click Create a New Corporate Group and fill out your organization's information, like your company name, the billing email address, and your role as the group admin. Next, enter the organization's phone number and address. Select your email preferences. If you would like to receive emails from NCCDP, make sure to check these boxes. Now that you've created an account, it's time to upload your group members. Click on your name at the top right and then your organization, and then Manage Group Members. Here is where you will upload a list of a minimum of 10 group members, and you can download our template to create said list. Enter your payment information, and then once you're done, click Checkout.